If you are more than 45 years and attain menopause, pregnancy seems unbelievable, is it? But with the modern techniques of IVF, we can bring back your menstruation and the uterus can be made ready for a pregnancy with a pretty good success rate.
Dr. Amprin Lingdo ilong by Snow Kmen ya kejing Shimrai ke Sarkar Pedang ban menjur ya ke Women's Reservation Bill ke balamang kerpang lai pulai nak sispa aki Kynthei. Bad ikermen bakan ya ke an kedai nak kebenta ki Kynthei, bad baki yang dorbar kin ailat ki Kynthei haka san hima sima. Ilong baki Kynthei ki syam jeng ban ya kun ki election raida kan ya kejing mang kerpang kan long kejing plelat ki Kynthei ban mi syakmat ban ya kun ki election. Bad banyo kejing itu ke badai banyo, bad emdan satya kano kejing duna jengki kertong Kynthei ha Meghalaya. Nagaliang Menteri Rangba Barim Gejelau Dr. Mukul M. Sangma, ulong bakane ke bil kedai ke bami, na kejing dawa jengki kenhuan ki balabo ya kene gamat. Ha ka donut jengki, bad loong bakane hap, bad kedai ke badan kambha kari. Ulai kublai ki patba ke Meghalaya ki balapha ya bongot ki Kynthei ki yang dorbar tawan, bad kalong kebadan kam bandon ni kendon hakariti sensar ban ai jaka lengba ke jingbhah kerpang. Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakum ke Jylla ke baijat caka Kmen bad kum ubrio ubanget ke jing penkop bor ki Kynthei. Udap da ke jing Kmen halor kene ke bil bad upriang ngobhai kene ke bil bad ulapan pau ke jing tikna bagane ke bil kan penklan ke jing mi khmat jeng ki Kynthei ha ke yang dorbar thawan kari bad ki yang dorbar thawan jong ki Jylla.
The 33% women reservation bill. I'm very, very delighted. This is a jubilant day for all of us women of the country. I look forward to the bill quickly becoming, taking good shape and becoming a law. I hope that we will shortly see assemblies giving fairer chance to women to participate actively in politics. It's not as if there have never been women candidates who have won, but the very fact that women candidates have a very tough fight against their main contenders in given situations. So therefore, when you reserve a seat exclusively for women, I think it would be the best way of giving women the recognition they deserve. Whether or not we have candidates, I don't think there will be a dearth of talent in the state of Meghalaya. We have women who are very active in all spheres of work. So I look forward to the implementation of the bill, and unfortunately some men will have to give way to women, and that will be the best thing that we do for this nation and this country.
Would you agree that women here are still hesitant to partake in politics?
Oh no, we are not hesitating. Most male candidates win because of their women's support. That has been established in several researches. It is already researched, and already research indicates that, and women will be ready.
We must appreciate the people. People of the state of Meghalaya have sent quite a number of women representatives. And that is a matter which should be considered as more or less something which indicates the overall acceptability of this concept of ensuring that there must be a constitutional provision giving certain space through reservation. And we have tried to see that these particular legislative exercise by the Parliament for the whole nation is taken up in the right earnest and passed unanimously. I think number of attempts have been made. Though we have failed, I think we should still pursue. And in as far as I'm concerned, I think you have seen how I have tried to personally also empower women and have also sent members belonging to the other gender, even from the family.
And of course, as a matrilineal state and as an individual who believes in women empowerment, I am very happy about the bill as an individual, and I welcome the bill. And I'm sure that this will lead to a very positive, strengthening and representation of women in the parliament and in the assemblies. And of course, as a state also, it's something that I'm sure that the state as a whole will be also acceptable, because it's one of the few states in the country that believes in socially empowering women by means of having a matrilineal. It's a part of our culture. And now as a party, of course, we will take an official stand on it. We'll be calling a meeting. And once we do that, officially we will take a resolution and pass, and then we'll take a call on that. But as I said, as a president of the party and as an individual, it's something that we welcome.